Hey guys, I'm Andrew from Lampro Event Solutions. I'm a qualified sound engineer and I've been involved in the events industry for more than 20 years now, using a wide range of professional sound, lighting and AV equipment. The reviews on my channel will aim to level the playing field when it comes to the various makes of pro gear, when comparing the entry-level brands to the expensive ones, so you can get the best option that is suitable for your needs and budget. My online sound training course covers all the different aspects of professional sound reinforcement, namely the basics of sound, the sound system which includes microphones, mixing consoles and loudspeakers, and how to get a good live sound mix that is applicable to front of house and monitor mixing. Lastly, I'd like to mention that my company specializes in technical services for the events industry in South Africa, and we're a supplier and installer of professional sound, lighting, AV and staging equipment. All aspects of our work is done efficiently, on time and with a smile that our clients will attest to. So please subscribe to this channel to have a look at the various events and installations that we did from start to finish. And thank you. I'll see you soon.